Alright you guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to go ahead and install this Built-Right dash mount for my phone and my iPad, but I already started the process yesterday. Forgot the video recorded, so I'm just going to get the second half of it. So I went ahead and removed the dash piece. There it is right there with the mount already set on it. So what I did to do the mount is I just sat it in that plastic tray like that, marked the plastic tray, drilled pilot holes through, and then went ahead and drilled 1/4-inch holes all the way through. Pulling it out was super easy. You have these 4 clips that pulls the cover off the speaker, 2 7mm nuts on the back by the speaker, and then the rest of it just pulls up. It takes quite a bit of pressure to get the cover off the speaker, but the other thing comes up pretty easily. So we're gonna put this back in. Now the one thing we don't have, so this is the mount that goes with it. I need to get 4 bolts, kind of like the black ones that are there, to go through and mount this. So we're gonna have to run to Home Depot and grab those. I do have 4 screws there, but I don't have locking nuts for them. So I'm gonna get 4 of the same size screws and go ahead and do that. But here, let's pop this thing back together and I'll show you what it looks like once it's installed. All right, you guys, it's back in. It took about 2 minutes. Now you can mount lots of stuff up there. I get my mounts from rammount.com. And that's the cell phone holder. They also make iPad holders and GoPro holders and pretty much anything else you can hook to that little plate up there. And I'll be able to give, well, you can't see it now because I already took it down, my shitty ass fucking cell phone holder. But that's it. So I need to go get 4 screws or 4 bolts with locking nuts to put in there. And she will be all set up. Alright, so now we're done with that. Let's talk about what happened earlier today in the car. So I took the car to get front tires because I was having some shaking, and it's really dark. I was having some shaking on the AMG when I was driving. I thought it was a balance, but it wasn't. It ended up that the tires are a year old, maybe a little under 4,000 miles, and the tire started splitting and was completely coming apart. So this is the Michelins that just came off the Mercedes. I was getting a shaking. Look at this shit. This is a brand new fucking tire. Look how much meat's on this fucking tire. This tire was from last summer, or very end of last summer. It's fucking cracked all the way around. I can't. Look at this shit all the way around. Yo, Michelin, you owe me 2 fucking tires, man. Yeah, so that shit was crazy. So I got new shoes. You got some new shoes on the AMG. So we're ready to get her back out. Fuck around a little bit now that the new intakes are on. I haven't got any draggy times yet, so we're gonna go out, we're gonna get some draggy times. But yeah, man, I look forward to getting this thing back out on the road this summer. She hasn't been super happy sitting in the garage, so I really like these intakes. Alright you guys, so we're gonna get these Radium Engineering catch cans installed. So this is the kit. Got your hose, you got your 2 catch cans, you got your 2 brackets, you got a whole shit ton of fittings. And it's gonna mount right back there on the back of the motor. So let's get this build started. Alright guys, check this out, right? So this is the cover for the Ford Raptor's motor, right? You know, nice Ford Performance plastic cover. Oh, no, it's not. I don't know if it's easy to see this, but it's foam. The whole cover's made of foam. I just thought that was odd because I swore it was plastic when I first looked at it. Anyway, alright, we're gonna finish up these catch cans. I'll catch y'all in a minute. Alright, you guys, we got it installed. I'm fucking hot and sweating. We installed the Radium Engineering dual catch cans. It wasn't a bad install. I would think maybe, I did it with 1 arm. It took me like 3 or 4 hours. But with 2 arms, a good mechanic could probably knock this out in an hour and a half. You know, if you're not a great mechanic, you can definitely knock this out within 2 or 3 hours. So here, take a look at it. So I left the cover off, top of the motor. There you go, you got your dual catch cans. 2 of the hoses run to the PVCs on this side, the other ones run across the back of the motor over to the PVCs on this side. Then if you can't really see down there, look over here, we got 2 peacock drains to drain the catch cans. And basically that just keeps the car from injecting oil into your cylinders on the back side of the valves, especially on direct inject motors. you know, the valves don't get cleaned by the fuel because the fuel's directly into the chamber. So it becomes an issue where they start to gum up and get dirty. So this should solve that, and with 600 miles on the truck, you know, not that much oil's been blown through. Anyway, alright, so we knocked that out, we got that done. I got a tonneau cover coming today. We'll knock that out this afternoon. Like, subscribe, comment, all that good shit. And we will see you on the next video. Peace.